Hey creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akira, if you didn't already know, and you're tuned in to Create with Akira. Today is episode 2 of my college series, and today we have a college clothing haul from Shein. I spent lots of money, $300 worth of clothing, over $300 worth of clothing. Okay, so we're gonna open the box and get started. Oh. I think I did it. Oh no. Foolishness. I did it. On the surface, we have this reflector, crop jacket, windbreaker fabric, you know. She's pretty. It looks really pretty on camera. Oh my goodness, this is cute. It's gray. You can't tell, but it's gray. Yeah, she's cute. Everything I got is in a large. I'll put the pricing and the try on portion over what I'm saying now. The next thing we got is this pajama set. I got a lot of pajama sets because, you know, you can't just sleep without clothes in college. So it's this soft, fuzzy, cropped top and short set. Oh, it has pockets. It has pockets. Oh my gosh, it has pockets. I'm excited about this. It's so soft. This is in gray. I'm pretty sure I got this in other colors. She's cute. Next thing we have is this jumpsuit. I got this in 3 different colors, which you will see soon. This one is in gray. It's a plain jumpsuit, flat top piecing. She's cute. Okay. So the next thing we have is this. We have this short set. Okay, she's cute and she's velvet and she's red. She's gorgeous. As shorts and then the crop top. You know. The next thing we have is this jacket. Oh, she's soft. It's a hoodie actually. This is a hoodie. It's oil spill. That's what I'm gonna call it. A oil spill style hoodie. She's thin, which I expected it to be thin. It wasn't like a heavy sweater, but she's cute. So next thing we have is this another pajama set. This is satin, what you call it? Satin look pajama set. It has shorts and and this button up top. She's cute. Next thing we have is another pajama set. It has black shorts, just plain old black shorts. She's cute, you know. And then a crop top that says goodnight with the eyelashes. How cute. Next, I actually don't know what this is. We have this sweatsuit set. Did I say that right?
Sweatsuit set.
Yeah, sweatsuit set. And she's in brown. I think this is really pretty. It has the brown. I think this is a crop top. This might be a crop top on me. I don't know. And it comes with the sweatpants, also brown. This is really pretty. I love the color brown. It looks so good on melanin. The next thing we have the other jumpsuit set, just like the gray one, but this time in black, because you know it's good to have a lot of things in different colors, especially when you're not going to be doing a lot like me. I want to wear. And then we have the brown one, same style, just in the color brown. Okay, cute. We have this set. These shorts I'm probably not going to wear out. I mainly got it because the cardigan was cute. So this is a cream set. It's coming out very white on camera, but it's very cream, kind of tan.
Very tan.
Yeah, very tan.
Oh, actually no cream.
Yeah. Set. It has a cropped tank top and with adjustable straps, and then the shorts and this cardigan. She's cute. We might wear her out. No, I'm not. If I do, I'm wearing it with tights. We have another pajama set. Is this pajama set? Yes. This time, it's fuzzy as well. It has the cropped tank top look, you know, with the pink shorts. She's cute. Oh wait, they're stretchy. They're really pretty. We have these sweatpants. They also have the reflector look to them. Okay, you see those, they're cute. They're not sweatpants, like they're like windbreaker pants kind of. Next we have this dress. It's a bodycon t-shirt dress. It says California, West Coast. She's cute, just, you know, to like chilling. I have just been informed that not all of these things are large. My mother sized some of the things up for various reasons. Some out of stock, some she figured might as well size up. So the next thing we have is this another short set, because I don't sleep in pants. Pants are uncomfortable. So it has this tank top with a dragon on it, and the, what is this, lettuce eye. The lettuce, you can't even see it like that. Lettuce hem on the bottom of the top, also on the bottom of the shorts. These are cute. Okay. The shorts have dragons all over them, as you can see. So this is a sweatpants set. The shirt is, oh, I didn't even see that. The shirt is a raw cut shirt. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's white. It says Destiny on it, and then it has. It has these cargo pants with it. They're pink, they're cute, and these are really, really soft. Oh my gosh. The cargo pants says 23 fashion. Yeah, that's what it says, 23 fashion. So the next thing we have is another set, short set. So it's this shirt. It says happy on it. Cropped shirt that says happy. And then we have these shorts that come with it. You know, they look like boxers. They kind of feel like boxers too. Yeah. These last three things I got for, you know, if I do go out at all, which I'm pretty sure I will, just like not immediately. So we have this blue, what's this called? Bodycon dress with the ruching on the side. I think that's what it's called, ruching. Yeah. And she has patchwork. She's really pretty and she's really soft. She feels like she's gonna be see-through though. The next thing we got is this another baby blue dress. This one's longer, way longer, and it has the ruching on the side. I mean, I guess that's why it is longer. So you can, you know, adjust it yourself to what you want it to be. She's cute. She's long sleeve. Does she have the thumb holes? I know one of these things had thumb holes. I feel like it did. I'm not sure. And the final thing in this haul is another dress. She is color blocked and made to look kind of rough, you know. She's cute. It's brown, green, gray, as you see. She's also gonna be see-through. I can feel it. So we're gonna invest in things. Those are all the things I got for my college haul. I will be getting more jeans, at least, because I do need some more jeans. But as I'm going in this haul, yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Hope you can come back for another episode of my college series. That was all for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video to become a creator today. I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye.